How to register a DBA in California. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Are you thinking of running your business under a different name in California? So you'll need to file a DBA, which stands for Doing Business As. This lets you operate your LLC, corporation, or sole proprietorship under a trade name like Sunnyside Marketing instead of your personal name or registered business name. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to register a DBA in California, including fees, forms, and publishing requirements, and I'll show you how to use Busy to save time and avoid paperwork. So click the link in the description if you want Busy to handle your California DBA filing for you. It's fast, affordable, and ensures you don't miss a step. So first of all, you gotta choose your DBA name. Make sure it's unique and not too similar to any existing business name. You can check name availability on your county clerk's website or by calling them directly. In California, DBAs are filled at the county level, not statewide. So you'll need to file in the county where your business is physically located. For example, if you live in Los Angeles, you'll file through the Los Angeles County Registrar Recorder. So you can either download the form or fill the form online. You'll include your DBA name, owner's name and address, business address and type of entity, whether it is LLC, Corp, or sole proprietor. So most counties allow you to file in person, by mail, or online. Fee range from $30 to $60 depending on the county and number of business names you're registering. California law requires you to publish your new DBA in a local newspaper for 4 consecutive weeks. This must be done within 30 days of filing, and the newspaper must be legally educated in the county. Once that's done, you'll get a proof of publication, which some counties require you to submit. So Busy does this all hassle for you. They check the name availability, prepare and file the paperwork, handle the required newspaper publication, and send you official confirmation. It's perfect if you don't want to deal with the local government offices or confusing forms. If your DBA is tied to an LLC formed in 2024 or later, don't forget you must file a BOI report with FinCEN. Busy helps you stay compliant with reminders and optional filing tools. So that's how to register a DBA in California. You can do it yourself through your local county or let Busy do it all for you. So click the link in the description to get started today. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on forming LLC or managing business compliance in California or any other state. So I'll see you in the next video.